have different variants in this. I will show you both the variants. Let's begin. Bell pepper rice. To begin, I'm going to pour in the oil. I'm going to add in onions, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, I will saute this till the water evaporates or the moisture evaporates from the tomatoes. Now the moisture is gone. I'm going to add in the boiled peas. Little turmeric, little cumin powder. The spice is chilli flakes. Now salt to taste. With this, now I'm going to add in some Garam Masala. Now I'm going to add in the rice. I'm going to mix this well. This is a colourful, fragrant and tasty rice. I would close this with the lid and allow it for a couple of minutes, just 2-3 minutes in sim so that it becomes more flavorful. Now the rice is ready to serve. This is simple. You can do it, taste it, and definitely share your comments.